Hello guys, welcome to my parcel, my order. Look at that. Putang ina, ang gahi guys, ang gahi. Ah, at saka salamat Shopee, salamat. Hala ka guys, naabre na guys. Guys, ito na guys, ito na guys. Ito na. Wow. Wow, ito guys, ito na guys. Naabre na yung isa, naabre. Look at that. Like, guys, look at that. Yung isa wala pa. Dalawa yung in-order ko. Okay guys, ang ganda pala guys. Wow, ang ganda. Bago ko gamitin guys, i-charge ko muna ng 12 volts battery with 1 ampere before use. Okay guys. Ayaw makita guys. Wow, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Okay guys, dalawa yung order ko guys. Wow, Shopee. Wow. Wow. Hope guys will last longer of my order of Motolite MF4LB. Tayo na guys, wala yung ano charger. Ito na guys, charge ko muna guys. Ikaw sabi ng iba, i-charge muna bago gamitin for the first time. Ito na guys, nagcha-charge na siya guys. So pag green full charge na yan at pwede ko na gamitin. At saka yung isa, charge ko muna bago gamitin. Bye bye, thank you.